because in 1972, it was illegal for Americans to own gold. Imagine that. Illegal. Imagine that. So 71, Nixon takes the dollar off the gold standard, and silly people are still saving the dollar.
Commencing an adventure into the world of investment parallels stepping into the corridors of time. From the enduring allure of gold and silver to the contemporary landscapes of cryptocurrencies and online enterprises, our financial universe spans a range of opportunities. This video explores various investment avenues, combining historical insights with modern perspectives. Segment 1. Gold and Silver, Shining Path to Wealth. Journey with me to a time when marketplaces buzzed with merchants and traders, where the gleam of gold and silver whispered promises of fortune. The lively bazaars of ancient civilizations, where the sound of currency and the glimmer of valuable metals created a sense of wealth.
Government and now the euro, the European central banks, are printing so much of this trash. So you'll see gold going up in price, oil going up in price, real estate going up in price, because this is trash.
These lustrous metals weren't just currency, but symbols of prestige and power, coveted by kings and commoners. Fast forward to today, and the mystique of gold and silver remains unbroken. They're not mere relics confined to history books, but the bedrock of your financial future. Beyond their intrinsic value, these precious metals serve as your shield against the stormy seas of economic volatility. When traditional assets tremble, gold and silver stand firm, offering stability in times of uncertainty. Robert Kiyosaki, the author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad and a renowned financial educator, suggests if I have cash and I can't figure out a way to put it into real estate or my business, I hold it in gold and silver. Gold and silver hold a unique place in history. They're not just metals, they're a hedge against economic uncertainty. They've stood the test of time and have been recognized by civilizations throughout history as a store of value. Ancient marketplaces were once bustling with life, where merchants from distant lands gathered to trade stories and treasures. The glint of gold and silver was more than mere currency. It was a language of status and a testament to human endeavor. The tales woven around these precious metals echo through time. Stories of kings who adorned their palaces with gold, and queens who wore silver as a symbol of elegance.
Yeah, no, I think it's, and I want people to understand that. To me, I don't look at it as an investment. To me, it's wealth. It's wealth that's lived through 2 world wars, German hyperinflation, the Great Depression, every pandemic, everything the world's ever thrown at it. And this will be no different when you realize that the most sophisticated money in the world has literally drained the exchanges of the majority of all the stockpiles of gold and silver.
But here's the captivating twist in the tale, the silver squeeze. Imagine a digital uprising where individuals unite to buy silver, creating ripples in the financial empire. It's not just an investment, it's a display of collective strength, a reminder that the power of the masses can challenge even the most entrenched norms. And beyond the ownership of these precious metals, here's a novel idea: renting them out for special occasions. Envision weddings and celebrations where your gold and silver take the spotlight, shining and earning you passive income. For those new to gold and silver investments, consider starting with trusted platforms like AppMex or JM Bullion. When purchasing physical coins, ensure they come with a certificate of authenticity. If you're keen on ETFs, consider well-known options like GLD, SPDR Gold Trust, or SLV, iShares Silver Trust. Before you embark on this exhilarating journey, you should know that market trends are like constellations guiding you through uncharted waters. Understanding these trends requires more than just a passing glance. It calls for careful study, thorough research, and an astute eye for patterns. Here's a practical tip. Before you set sail, arm yourself with knowledge. It will be your guiding star in this quest for hidden treasures. Segment 2. Royalties from intellectual property. Unleashing creativity for profit. The world of royalties, often seen as the domain of artists and creators, is ready to embrace the bold investor. Let's shatter a myth right now. Royalties aren't confined to the stage or the canvas. They extend into innovation and ideas. Owning a piece of a patent, a trademark, or a tune that resonates across generations isn't just about investing, it's about shaping the future. During an industry conference in the bustling heart of San Francisco, I had the privilege of encountering Alex, an innovative thinker who had harnessed a groundbreaking patent to forge a path toward transformative technology. With each stride of his invention across the global stage, lives were touched, and prosperity flowed not only into his pockets, but into the lives of many. Alex's journey revealed that royalties were more than just conduits for financial gain. They emerged as essential pillars, bolstering and propelling innovations that could reshape entire societies. A symphony composed by algorithms could produce a melody that resonates with emotions as authentic as any human composition. The future of royalties is not just about traditional creations, it's about embracing the fusion of human ingenuity and artificial intelligence, where creativity knows no bounds. However, don't be blinded by the allure. Not all royalties are equal. Choosing the right intellectual property is akin to selecting the perfect piece for a grand puzzle. It's about recognizing trends, foreseeing shifts, and projecting the future. Segment 3. Real estate crowdfunding, building blocks for tomorrow's wealth. Welcome to the world of real estate crowdfunding, a modern approach to property ownership that shatters traditional paradigms. It isn't just about residential properties. It extends to commercial spaces, vacation rentals, and even land awaiting its destiny. The beauty of real estate crowdfunding lies in its flexibility. Physical boundaries do not limit it. Yet, like any grand adventure, challenges abound. The rewards may gleam like gemstones, but the path has pitfalls. It's a delicate dance with risk. Every step must be calculated. As an architect envisions a blueprint before construction begins, you must strategize your real estate ventures. Think of each investment as a piece of a giant puzzle, fitting into a comprehensive plan. Analyze trends, study demographics, and anticipate shifts in the market. This puzzle is your masterpiece in the making. Diversification is your key to navigating the unknown. Just as a wise captain navigates treacherous waters with multiple sails, diversifying your real estate investments shields you from the storms of change. It's about building a fortress of wealth that stands resolute against the winds of uncertainty. There are numerous platforms for real estate crowdfunding. Beginners should start with Fundrise, which offers a low entry point. For those looking at international properties, platforms like Realty Mogul can be explored. Remember to always check fees and property management details. Segment 4. Online businesses, monetizing the digital landscape. Step into the digital domain. Businesses flourish without brick-and-mortar storefronts, and suits are swapped for hoodies. The landscape has transformed, and the world of commerce has undergone a revolution. Online businesses aren't just an alternative, but a new frontier of opportunity. Acquiring an existing online empire or forging a digital path from scratch can be daunting. It is your invitation to the realm of endless potential. Passive income takes center stage, making money while you sleep. From affiliate marketing to drop shipping, content creation to digital products, the avenues are as diverse as they are promising.
Marketing, it's super simple. Basically, you're a reseller for somebody else's product or service. So anytime that you post a link about this product, or you write a review, or just have a link on your website, and one of your readers clicks and purchases that product, you get a small commission for every purchase. It's easy, it's awesome, and basically you get to sit back and enjoy all the money coming in.
Right.
Yet every expedition faces challenges. The digital sphere has its shadows, ever-changing algorithms, and fickle market dynamics. Yet, within these challenges lie opportunities waiting to be seized. The algorithms and market trends might seem daunting, but it's also a path of constant evolution. As a mountaineer adapts to changing terrains, digital entrepreneurs must be agile despite shifting algorithms. Embrace change, for within the challenges lies the chance to evolve and prosper. And remember this quote from Kiyosaki: "Face your fears and doubts, and new worlds will open to you." Segment 5. Bitcoin, decrypting the digital gold rush. Cryptocurrencies represent a seismic shift in the financial landscape, with Bitcoin being the groundbreaking pioneer. Often dubbed digital gold, Bitcoin has not only introduced a new way to think about money, but has also offered innovative means of generating income. History and design. Born out of the 2008 financial crisis, Bitcoin was envisioned as a decentralized, peer-to-peer electronic cash system. Its inventor, known by the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto, introduced Bitcoin as a response to the failures of centralized banking. The key feature was its decentralized nature, ensuring no single entity could control or manipulate the currency. Decentralization and security. The power of Bitcoin lies in its decentralized blockchain, a public ledger recording all transactions. Using powerful computers, miners verify transactions and add them to the blockchain. In return, they receive newly minted Bitcoins, a process known as mining. This consensus mechanism ensures security and immutability. Once a transaction is recorded, it can't be altered without the consensus of the majority. Staking, lending, and nodes. Staking. While traditional Bitcoin mining requires considerable computational power, some altcoins use a different approach known as proof of stake, where holders stake or lock up their coins to support the network's operations and get rewarded. Lending. With the advent of decentralized finance, DeFi platforms, Bitcoin holders can lend their coins to earn interest. Media like Compound and Aave have popularized this method, allowing holders to earn passive income. Running a node. Bitcoin nodes maintain the network's health by validating and relaying transactions. While running a node doesn't directly reward Bitcoins, it offers indirect benefits like transaction privacy and a say in protocol upgrades. Beyond Bitcoin, the altcoin landscape. Bitcoin may be the first and most well-known, but the cryptocurrency space is vast. Ethereum, for instance, expands on Bitcoin's promise by offering intelligent contract functionality. Others, like Chainlink or Polkadot, aim to connect different blockchains, allowing them to communicate. Risks and challenges. The world of Bitcoin has challenges. Price volatility can be extreme, and regulatory landscapes remain fluid. Furthermore, while the decentralized nature offers freedom from traditional banking systems, it also means responsibility for one's funds. Lost Bitcoins can't be recovered. Future potential. With advancements like the Lightning Network for faster, cheaper transactions and the rise of Bitcoin-backed financial products, the potential for Bitcoin to shape the future of finance is undeniable.
I own 60 Bitcoin. I know nothing beyond that. I bought them at 6,000 each. I wish I had bought more, but 6,000 was it. And the reason I bought it was not because I'm a crypto expert. I'm a trader. I took technical trading. And crypto, when Bitcoin first came out, I think it hit a high of about 20,000, retraced back down to $100. I said, oh, it's gone. And it kept coming back, and it hit 6. I said, I think it's here to stay.
Yet its adoption as both an investment and a medium of exchange hinges on technological advancements, regulatory clarity, and broader public understanding. While we've traversed the grandeur landscapes of investment, let's anchor ourselves with some specifics. For those seeking tangible guidance on gold and silver, consider allocating some of your investment to reputable bullion ETFs or purchasing physical coins from certified mints. In the world of intellectual property, research emerging musicians or startups looking to license their patented technologies, providing both support and potential returns. For real estate crowdfunding, platforms like Fundrise or Realty Mogul offer curated portfolios catering to varied risk appetites. As for online businesses, consider exploring platforms like Shopify or WordPress, which provide myriad tools for budding digital entrepreneurs. And in the world of cryptocurrencies, use trusted exchanges like Coinbase or Binance, always ensuring to employ hardware wallets for maximum security. As our odyssey concludes, let's reflect on the vast landscapes we've explored. Gold and silver, royalties, real estate crowdfunding, online businesses, and the intricate empire of cryptocurrencies are the avenues to sculpt your financial destiny. These paths to wealth are a testament that your journey in your 30s isn't confined to conventional routes. It isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Approach these ventures with prudence, arm yourself with knowledge, and seek counsel from those who've walked these paths before. As you embark on these financial quests, keep your heart open to innovation and your mind primed for adaptability. While each investment avenue offers promise and potential, it's essential to approach them with a balanced perspective. Just as opportunities abound, so do risks. While gold might have stood the test of time, and cryptocurrencies present a modern gold rush, the markets are fickle and can change instantly. Diversifying your investments, staying informed, and always preparing for the unexpected is imperative. Past success stories don't guarantee future outcomes, and every investor should exercise caution, conduct thorough research, and consult with financial professionals before making significant decisions. If you enjoyed this video, kindly hit the like button, share it with others, and remember to subscribe. Drop your thoughts in the comments below and watch the following video for further insights. May your financial voyage be marked by wisdom, your wealth-building aspirations realized, and your dreams forever enkindled.